Hello everyone. So let's talk about the topic besides our NEET preparation, that is a cancer. As you know, the cancer is a deadly disease. A human body is made up of a single cell. As a human body made up of a single cell. A complete adult contains about 30 trillion cells. So let's see firstly a normal cell development. Here is a single cell. The cell starts dividing and forms a complete tissue. And in the point second, you can say that abnormal cell growth. What happens if the cells are dividing in the normal condition, starts dividing into the abnormal condition? So as you can see that there is a normal cell. It comes under some genetic changes, under some mutations. So after getting that mutations, the normal cell converted into the cancerous cells, and now the division is known as cancerous cell division. So after the cancerous cell division, a group of undifferentiated cells is formed, that is called the tumor. After the cancerous cell division, there is no tissue formation. There is a difference. A tissue is a completely well-mannered, arranged cells, but this is a mass of undifferentiated cells. So here is the difference between the tumor and the tissue. Now the tumor is of two types. The first one is benign and the second one is malignant tumor. Let's talk about the benign tumor. Benign means static. Static means the cells which remains in a localized position. Let's see in the diagram. Here is a cell, or you can say here is a tissue. The blue one is normal cells and the green one is cancerous cells. When these cancerous cells is localized in a tissue, means the cells are not moving here and there. They are localized. So they are called the benign, the static tumor. This tumor is localized here. This is less dangerous comparing to the malignant, which we are going to talk about. So here is the malignant tumor. That tumor, the tumor cells starts moving from the tissue to the other parts of the body through the blood vessels, through the lymph vessels. This condition is dangerous because that cancerous cells moving from the tissue, they can move from a tissue, from a single organ to the other part of the body. Like if you have a liver cancer, then if that is a malignancy, if the malignancy is present in the liver, then that tumor cells may move from liver to the gallbladder, and they can cause even the gallbladder cancer. Even though in the last stages or in the extreme stages, the cells from a single part, they can move in the distant part of the body. Like if you have a liver cancer, that the cells of the liver can move to the heart, can move to the brain, even can move to the lungs. So this type of tumor is known as metastatic tumor. Here is a line that appearance. Now if you have a tumor, then doctor will proceed as a surgery, obviously the surgery. So during surgery, the doctor will remove the tumor. He or she will cut the tumor from the part, and now you are cancer free. You do not, but if the appearance of tumor after surgery, in cases in cancer, there are the reappearance of that cancer. So now the appearance of tumor after surgery is known as recurrence. Recurrence means again. So here is the difference between benign and malignant, and I already told you that why malignancy is dangerous than benign tumor. So the condition of spread decides staging. Means the stage 1, 2, 3, 4. These stages are decided on the basis of spread, that how much the cancer cells are spread. Like if they are localized in an area, they are considered as the stage 1. If they starts to moving to the other parts, starts penetrating that endodermal or that the layers of the muscularis layer and the other part, then they can consider the stage 2. And if the cells are moving to the lymph nodes, they are infecting the lymph node, they are moving into the blood vessels, then this considered as the stage 3. And in the last stage, the cancer cells reach up to the distant part of the body, like lungs, like liver, and even though the brain. So that's why malignancy is so dangerous. Yeah, there are some treatments, there are some preventive measures, there are some preventive treatment. Still, we are working on the cancer, but it is not completely curable. But yes, the lifespan of a human suffering from cancer can be increased up to 5 to 10 and much more. There are some treatments like chemotherapy and the immunotherapy can be used in the treatment of cancer. Okay, then that's enough for today. This is for your general knowledge. This is a basic introduction of the cancer. We will talk about the staging in detail in the next video, and comment your problem and comment your question if you have any problem regarding this lecture. Okay guys, all the best.